Hi, I'm Kaylin, and coming up on this episode, I'm going to be giving you some tips on how to make the most of high school. Let's get into the video. The first topic is time management. Always get your homework done on time and don't wait till the last minute so you can always have time for other sports and extracurricular activities. Just finishing up track practice, but first, when you get all your homework done, you'll have extra time for sports and other after-school activities. This means work hard while you're at practice to be able to perform well when it counts. Also, always make sure that you are prepared with the clothes and everything else you need for practice. And don't forget to get all your work done so that you don't have any IWSs. When you manage your time wisely and get all your work done on time, you're able to have free time to be able to hang out with friends.
Want to hang out this weekend?
Yeah, of course. I finished all my work and I have free time. No, sorry, I can't. I didn't do all my work, so now I have to do it all last minute tonight. The second topic is developing good social relationships. Hi! Be nice to everyone. You never know who will be there for you in the end and impact your life positively. Always be open to meeting new people and making new friends. Making that step in life will open new doors for the future. No, I'm just gonna stick with what I'm used to. Yeah. Make sure you open that door to new friends. You will need people that will always make you happy and help you get through these next 4 years of your life.
A little different. Oh my god. So awkward.
You're so weird.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
What?
You will have many ups and downs, so make sure you find those people that will always be there for you and help make it so that you are never alone.
Yeah, 4.
Thanks for studying with me.
Woohoo!
Try to find friends who will benefit you and push you to be a better person. They will be there for you and guide you to success. You never know, if you open up, you might end up finding your true friends. Third topic is pushing yourself to get out there and get involved with your school. Getting involved is fun. You can hang out with friends while also helping the community and having a blast at the same time. Hey, you should go to the student council meeting. We're doing some really fun things right now.
That sounds cool. I'll see you at the meeting after school.
Can't wait. See you then. Helping out genuinely feels good and makes you realize that every little thing contributed helps and benefits the school. Thank you so much for coming. We really appreciate all your help.
No problem. I had a ton of fun. Maybe I'll go to the next meeting.
Awesome! Let's look at some examples of what the student council does.
In student council, we put on all different kinds of spirit weeks and color days. We also have dances too, just like the neon dance. During Winter Carnival and Homecoming, we also make all kinds of floats, banners, dances, and bleacher decorations. We do this as a competition to see which grade will win and beat the others.
Volunteering and getting involved looks really good and will help you out in the future when you're writing transcripts, applying to colleges, or making a resume.
Getting involved in your school and different activities at the school is really important because it helps you make connections with different people.
You won't remember everything from high school, but you'll remember all the friends you made and all the fun things you did. Just like joining a new club, making Winter Carnival or Homecoming memories, or trying a new sport. You never know what you'll be good at. So get involved, I truly recommend it. The fourth topic is acting now with the future in mind. What I mean by acting now with the future in mind is to be responsible and do activities that'll positively impact you and prepare you for college and your future. Get involved and strive to do well, it'll all pay off. Everything you do in high school prepares and affects you and your outlook on college. Here at Sanborn, we have lots of different opportunities to help prepare us for college, even if we don't know what we want to pursue. Do you know who Miss Allie is? Well, let's go see what she does. Wow, here's Miss Allie's rooms. In here, she helps put kids in internships and job shadows that will help benefit them and get them some experience with some jobs they might want to pursue in the future. guidance yet? Well, anyways, since we're here, did you know that guidance also helps prepare us for college? They talk to all the grades about college, the amount of schooling it takes, and they help us apply to them. We're so lucky. The more that you get involved, strive, and stand out, the more that colleges will want and accept you. Yes! 5 acceptance letters for me. My hard work finally paid off. Woo! I'm gonna go tell my mom! Try new things and take all the opportunities given to you. You never know what you'll like or even end up doing in college.
In high school, I tried tennis.
In high school, I tried field hockey and tennis. I tried book club.
In high school, I took honors classes and intend to take AP courses in my junior and senior year.
In high school, I always tried to strive for the best.
In high school, I tried a whole bunch of different activities, like winter track, student council, and life of a student, just like all of the previous people. That's it. Those are all the tips I have for you. Hopefully they'll help you survive high school because they sure helped me.
Wow, and if it wasn't obvious enough, today I'm graduating. Please take my advice. It sure helped me get to this point in my life. Now, on to the next chapter, college. Maybe if you're lucky, you'll even get another video on that too. I hope you enjoyed. See you after college.
Congratulations, class of 2019.
Woo!
Wait, we can't wrap up this video yet. There's one more final tip that's the most important.
Last but not least, high school is supposed to be the best 4 years of your life, so make sure you always try and have fun and laugh a lot. Doing this makes everything easier. High school isn't always about who is the top grade or who's the most popular. Sometimes you just need to let loose and have fun. On to the bloopers.
It's going?
Making new.
Stop!
Woo!
Yeah! Go!
Helping the community. When you're writing a transcript, applying a...
Nice.
That'll be a good blooper. Okay. Fourth topic good.
You stop. Okay, stop. Okay. Shut up. I remember now.
Hey!
Please strive for the best.
We have lots of different opportunities to something. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to make the most of high school because it only happens once. Bye guys. See you in the next episode.